Hi, I'm George. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you one of the secret special tool I use to actually spot coins that could pump. Alright, coins that could pump or coins that could dump in 30 minutes, in 24 hours. Take for instance, if you've gone to some exchange, you will get to see biggest gainers, those kind of things. Now, how do people spot these coins? All right, this is an information that I have been leveraging on, and I got this price information months ago, and I believe that it's right to actually share it for you to actually learn how to do this. So quickly as possible, you go to your trading view. Now, when you go to your trading view, you're going to see. Let me bring out my tools. All right, so we'll go to our trading view. The next thing we're going to see is we'll see what they call at the downside crypto pair screen, pine editor, strategy tester, trading panel. Now, all these tools right here have their own special purpose. Okay, so but in this specific video, all we're looking towards is what coins that could pump, coins that you could actually. There are different ways to actually find coins that could pump, but this is a sweet, simple strategy. All right, now this is just like coins you could just buy now and you could just sell it in, let's say, 24 hours or 4 days or that kind of stuff. Now you go to crypto pair screen, you tap on it. When you click on it, you're going to see something like this. All right, you see coins and all that. Now what you do is what you click on this place, zero time. Now in the free account of TradingView, okay, you have up to, I think there are some specific time. Okay, you have up to, because possibly in the free account you can be able to access some of this timing. Yes, so you can be able to access up to as low as coins that could pump in 1 minute, in 5 minutes and all. All right, so sorry, coins that could pump in in one month, 4 hours and so on. Then if you have other above paid account, you'll be able to also see 1 minute and 5 minutes. So now, but nonetheless, 4 hours 1 day is also okay. All right, so let's say for instance we stick to 4 hours. All right, now the next thing to do now is you go over to this place, the roads financials, you tap on it, you use market currency, you tap on, make sure it is USD, which means you are trying to make sure that every asset you are trading should be with what? USD, that's dollars. All right, the next thing is what you go to this place, the roads filters. All right, filters, you tap on it. When you tap on filters, now this is what you see some persons do, that they could even charge as much as $1,000 just to actually share with you some of these coins. All right, so now we click on exchange. Now in this place, you wrote X, you can see here exchange. We are dealing on 2 exchanges. You can choose 2 to 3 exchanges. All right, the essence is now with these are exchanges. Number one is exchange that has high number of persons. We have obviously Binance. Okay, Binance is going to be there. Secondly, exchange that to an extent, so many people are always getting so much into as well. To an extent, we have what? Bybit. All right, then the third exchange that you yourself also use. If you are using Binance, you can stick to Binance and Bybit. If you are using Bybit, then that exchange again that people are also rushing towards, and which I always recommend to a lot of persons and people also use a lot. It's called MEXC. MEXC. Then you tap on it. Now after doing this, so it means that right now we are trading. You are choosing to buy coins based on the amount of volume whales or big people are buying on Binance, on Bybit, and on the MEXC. That is one. The next thing, we'll come over to this place, the road search filter. We'll type in NDI. All right, NDI. When you type in NDI, you're going to see something like this. Now, what we're going to do right now is go to this place. We have negative directional indicator, which means what we're trying to do now with this, we're trying to say that okay, we're choosing this indicator to tell us that people have sold this coin to the barest minimum, and the next opportunity or movement for this coin is to go bullish. So go to this place, the road below, we tap on it, then we choose cross down. All right, crosses down means when it crosses down, then we'll come over here to the root value. We tap on it, we choose positive directional indicator. All right, which means that what we are trying to buy this coin when this coin crosses down to an extent barest minimum, and the next opportunity for it is what, to go bullish. That is what we want to do. We're buying. So that's why we click on this we'll call it place, we click on cancel. All right, that is it. So we have, then you go back again and click on filter, so be sure that what parameters you set is what it is. The things in the blue are what we have set. We are choosing to buy coins that people are buying or rushing, all right, on Binance, on Bybit, and MEXC. I know what about buying coins is that the more people are buying, the more the probability of the coin to pump. Then we'll have coins that have gone so down flat that the next opportunity movement is what, buying. All right, so when we're done with this, we come over here. Now we'll click on, okay, the time frame is 4 hours. You can choose coins that could pump in 2 minutes, 1 minute, 5 minutes, and all. The next thing was we click on this place, technical rating, which means we want to rate coins based on technical analysis, based on what we can see. Now if we click on this place, you'll see that this is showing us rating of coins based on strong sell, which means people are selling it right now. All right, okay, I mean it has already pumped. You can see here but now what we are choosing is what, technical rating based on buy. I mean it's a coin that people are buying at the moment. So you can see it here on Binance, people are buying this coin, Win BNB right now. It is at, if you double tap it, you will see it here. Okay, as you can see, I've already placed my buy position for the coin nonetheless though. So look at it here now. You can see that this was where I entered, and the coin is pumping, like it is going up. It's fell so down, and I've placed my take profit at my take profit spot to be at 0.00036. So I bought it at this. So that is the thing here for this. So you click on Wing Binance coin, and you know that it's on Binance. People are buying this coin right now. It's a strong buy. It has fallen to 38%, which means it could rise up, and it's definitely rising up. The next coin again, if you go down again, the next coin again is now on MEXC. Okay, sorry, look at this here on MEXC, Tron USDT. All right, this, when you see this 3L, just ignore it, leave it, because this one now are people who are buying these coins based on margin. We're not doing margin here. We're doing only just either futures or sports. We're not doing margin so much. All right, I don't do margin though. If you can do margin, you can do margin. I don't do margin. I only just do futures and sports. Now I have HBAR, Hedera Hikashi coin, and Bitcoin. Now you see on Binance, people are buying it right now. Let's double tap it to see. Let's double tap it. And by the way, I'm using Hikinashi candle here. You can use just normal candle by clicking on this place, using just normal candle. All right, using just normal candle, you can be able to see how yours is. All right, as you can see here, the moving average is showing us two directional. There is a crossover on the 50 and on the 8, which means a sign that it's also going to go up. They will also have here, we can see a bullish engulfing candle over here, and this is also a good sign. And the indicator is also telling us that what, it is pumping up 19.2%, which means when we're buying this coin, we're expecting a move towards this position. We're expecting a move towards what, this position. All right, from 292 to this position at least. All right, now we'll go over here. This is another coin. go over here, we can see other coins. You can see, all right, we can see, okay, this is IOTX Ethereum. Right now it's at minus 22%, and it's at a buy position right now. A lot of persons are buying it, and you can see the volume. And actually, one other key thing to look into is the volume. All right, look at the volume right now. 325,000 watts is being put into it. People are buying it at the moment. There's another coin I also bought too. Is Portal. It's actually sold down, and at the moment at when I bought it, and definitely it's going to go up. There will have another coin. You can see them. You can see. Look at this one now. We have BETH Ethereum. It's at, what do they call it? To minus 25%. All right. In 24 hours. In 24 hours. $8 million are being pumped into it. People are buying it. Where is it? $8 million. Pretty much it's gonna go to a strong buy very, very soon. And this is on, where the heck is it? Alright, and this is on Binance. We have this is on MEXC. It's pumping 39.2%, $338,000 into it. We have on that one again. Like, this is what you can use to actually be checking out coins that could pump. Now look at this one, for instance. This is Dash, and you know these things are just changing very, very fast. This is Dash BUSD. There's a strong signal for buying Dash BUSD, Dash USDT. All right, so that's just pretty much it. I hope you got value from this video. All right, so this is how you can be able to get to find out coins that could pump. All right, this is KSF. This one has pumped. If you click on technical ratings, you'll be able to see coins that are selling. This means they have pumped already, and people are now selling them very, very crazy, or even going short on them. We have here a strong sell. People are shorting it massively. This one went to, whoa, okay, I got this, but the mistake I did was okay, 350. Oh my goodness, let me go and sell mine. All right, so now this is it here. So you can see that this is wonderful. 353% profit. Okay, so now when you do this is CTUSDT. All right, if you're in our signal group, you know that I sent this coin. Yeah, I sent this coin, and by now we are already a good profit. Okay, so when you click on technical ratings, I say this is the strong sell, this is the strong sell. Then we'll now have also the strong buy. So that's pretty much it. In another video, I'm going to also share about how I also get a trade, supply and demand, support and resistance, okay, in such a way that I'm still able to stay to an extent profitable in most trades, and also share another special secret on how you can actually trade. Yeah, if you're not so good, you're a beginner in trading, you don't know how to do all these things on the chart and all, there is a safe landing for you, right? So you got value from this video, give me the thumbs up, all right? Smash the thumbs up, share it, and click on subscribe button, all right? So that more persons can actually learn from this. If you have any questions to ask, drop it in the comment section below. Peace.